get as much of the dirt, grease, and grime off that I can. I'll see that brown showing. Once it's dry enough, blow it off. I'm gonna spray a little undercoat, grease all these joints, and load it up, man. I'm gonna spray about 2-3 more times, then give it a good blow. It be warm, man. It be hard to do this water stuff, but I'm gonna try my best. Worst case scenario, I'll spray it when I get there. I know it should be drier. Spray it on the trailer. Yeah, I just might do that. So I'm gonna clean it a couple more times, load it up, and then I'll spray it when I get there. All right, man. Y'all can see it came out pretty all right. Let me show y'all. Yeah, it came out pretty all right, man. I ain't touch it once. Could have got it near mint, but ran out of cleaner, so I know I'm gonna have to stock that cleaner. It's about to rain, and I'm trying to not be in it. So I need to run to the store. So right when I was about to grease the dang fittings, couldn't find my ball joint, my joint grease. The grease you use for ball joints and Zerk fittings, blah blah blah. Couldn't find it. And then now it's about to rain, so gotta go to the store, find that, still load this while it rain, if it rain, eat, then leave, and drive for 4 hours. But I'm gonna watch y'all on YouTube, all my creators who I do watch and stuff, and then shoot, yeah, man, hopefully I get there by about 7:30. I don't even know what time it is, but I'm about to get my move on so I can get my groove on, so I can keep on moving. I'm gonna finish clean one more time. Hurry up, spray it. Shoot, cause I was thinking like, I can't spray it if I take it off the trailer with the wheels on. I ain't bringing no jack. Well, I am bringing a jack, but not for that. But let me just go ahead and spray it down. Change my trailer light. Go get some grease, and then shoot, that'd be it. Got my light on. Test it for a second. Test it in a second. I say this light is breaking, man, like so easy. This one light, this one side, always breaking. Clean up my mess and test my lights. All right, so she all greased up. Got it spewing out in some spots. I seen this upper one was coming out. Hey, if you got it like that, it's too much. But easy to clean up, man. You just take your napkin and wipe it off. But I done got greased on my clean parts. That's all good. It's messed up. Found something better, even more expensive. Yeah, header paint costs a lot more than undercoat because of the temperature. Testing my lights. My right light out like it was on a big trailer. I just letting up the landing gear. Man, it's bent, so it take a lot to go up, but like nothing to go down. All right, let me check this fuse. I know that's what it is. Trailer light. Trailer back up. Trailer right. Trailer park. Rear right. I ain't got nothing to pull it out with. Grab something. Yeah, man, my fuse is good and still doing it, so I don't know. Getting tired of this truck for real. Let me shut up before it break down on me again. Every time I get in this truck, I gotta do something major, man. That's how it's supposed to be, but that's not how it's supposed to be at the same time. Like on a daily drive, you don't gotta do all this every time you jump in it. But whatever. Make sure that hood don't fly up on me after talking crap. That's crazy. I don't got no right light. Let's see if I got a running light at least. Should at least have a running light. Oh man, it's BS, boy. Yes, I got a running light, but no blinker. So it's something to figure out. And it was doing that with the big trailer too, so it's the truck. So figure it out. So all I gotta do is chain this stuff down. Shit, I'm gonna eat first.
What's up, y'all? It's the next day. We came up with delivering the next day, man. Me, I was tired. Man, I was real tired, but I ain't gonna even lie. I got some grading did yesterday, and I was helping the guy, and I still was finishing that car, and I was cleaning up, and I was moving the car, as y'all seen the video, and I was tired. I ain't gonna even lie. So I just said, hey, can I deliver it tomorrow? He said, yeah, it's cool. But this the piece I ain't never show y'all. I always recommend. I will never force you to replace a part. I recommend. It's up to you. But this is why I said to send the link. Just listen. But look at the movement. All suspension parts with joints should be stiff. But if you're replacing everything that got to do with that, might as well replace that. You don't have to, but you should. And it's trash pickup day, so this is all our trash. I'm gonna go take this to the gate, chain this car down, and shoot. I'll be on the road. 7 o'clock. Look at the sky, man. Looking nice. Looking real nice. But we locked and loaded, chained up. Gotta get that napkin for the Corona pump. Yeah, we are about to roll, man. I got mud slinging off my tires. We rolling though. Chained up, cross method I like. One chain in the back. I need to grease these axles twice a year. That's what I'm shooting for. But I had to get me some coffee, man. I'm getting old, and you know you gotta get that coffee for your wake up. I'm hitting that point. I want to go in the store and get me some new gloves, but I don't have a mask in this car, so let me just keep my distance. I'm social distancing. What the baby said. But let me go ahead and get about $50 in fuel, and then I'll be back on the road. Yeah. Can't touch it. $65 today, man. Not bad, not bad. I seen this thing do 100 before. So, are you ready? I see what they racing now. The truck talk. Get us some sanitizer. That's my morning coffee. Y'all just seen clean my hands and make sure I ain't hitting this pole. Get it on the road. It's backed up. Get my maneuvering on. I can maneuver with this one right here. Ain't no way I can get in this quick trip with that big trailer in a busy time. But I gotta make sure I'm clear. Yeah, we rolling good. Put my towing stuff on. Yeah. My blower motor resistor is messing up. My fan only blow on high now. It only blow on 5. It's BS. From what I know, we go on 285, and it take us up 85. Man, my blower motor resistor out, man. It's crazy. It's wet outside. These boys going stupid. Let me go ahead and get to where I need to go. Man, been here 3 minutes already. Unchained. Doors open. Keys in the inside. My clothes clean, so I don't need this no more. Screwdrivers dropping.
Get it off. Get it off. Let the window down so I can see. It definitely don't bounce as much in the front, especially. Yeah, the front didn't bounce at all. Oh yeah. As soon as he said, man, it's sitting way high in the front. Made it back safe. I'm about to jump back on the road. I got a baby appointment, so that's what I'm about to do. Turn my brake booster off. Oh. Hey. That thing clean, man. So I'm about to go on head to this appointment, man.